Ladies and gentlemen, we are WATO, the world's authority of titanium oxide. We will be presenting the negative effects of titanium oxide if it is implemented in BC.
Okay, so I think there's one thing that's very important, and a lot of citizens of BC think about when they think about titanium dioxide. Is it safe for our environment? Well, the most common process, the sulfate process, can devastate marine life and our fishing industry, which is a very important and integral part of the BC economy. So that would not only be an environmental hazard, it would also be an economic hazard as well. But Tytus has chosen to use the chloride process approach, which is even more toxic than sulfate. And in 2004 at the D-side facility, when there was a titanium tetrachloride spill, the residents of the area were asked to stay in their homes for 5 weeks and were not allowed to go within a 2-kilometer radius of the facility. Also, at that same facility 3 years later, highly concentrated hydrochloric acid was leaked out into the marshlands around, probably killing more than half of the area's marine residents.
So now looking at everything from 2 different points of view, there's the economic impact and the environmental impact. It's true that titanium dioxide, also called titania, has given us a very big impact on the economic impact of this industry. But then imagine all the money we have to spend to restore the environment just in case some sort of disaster or the worst case scenario happens. Now let's look at the environmental impact. Coastal production plants using sulfate process dump large amounts of sulfuric acid into the sea and connecting waterways. Although seawater neutralizes acidic waste, sulfuric acid will cause a drop of pH value in the water. This causes a diminish in oxygen content in marine life, causing a dissemination of marine life. And through this, there's also health problems, such as titanium dioxide is very small, so it can easily be inhaled. Lots of experiments, such as testing on rats, have shown that an increase of lung cancer can occur, and also such results happen the same as in many workers who work in companies that handle titanium dioxide. And many companies assure us that nothing will happen, and they'll look at all the safety processes, but how much of that is actually true?
These are histories of titanium dioxide companies in the past. Tytus, which is based in UK, was fined 382.5 thousand pounds of money for leaking chemicals into the environment. That amount of money is roughly around 603,000 Canadian dollars. And that's only in 1998. The following year, they were fined for roughly around the same amount of money. Natural disasters and earthquakes can cause a lot of problems too. The Japanese company Sankai, which took its damage from the Fukushima earthquake a few years ago, was forced to stop its production of titanium dioxide because it had to check over everything and repair everything that was broken. All these happened to other companies in the past, so why wouldn't it happen to Tytus too? The cost and effort required to fix these environmental problems is definitely not worth it.
Thank you, colleagues, for your insightful words. So, after all, titanium oxide is not worth it. We are called beautiful British Columbia for a reason. Let's keep it that way. We all need to work together to contribute and positively influence the future for your young ones and your young ones to come. So, thank you, and let us work together. Thank you.